Hello children, welcome back to Elga 10 class, day 13 session. Let's move on to phonics part children. Already in the last classes we have learned some short vowel sounds. Today we are going to practice an worksheet for yesterday's phonics sound children. All of you take your worksheet. Open worksheet number 21, question number 1 children. So look at the question. Fill in the blanks with the correct sound pattern for each word. So they have given you the blanks and dashes. For that you want to fill the correct sound pattern of the word. So to know the sound, first look at the picture, find the name of it, and then write the correct sound pattern of the word children. Let's start to do that. Have you all finished it children? So check the correct answer children. If you have done it any wrong, change it now itself. Have you all checked it out children? Okay, close your worksheet. Let's move on to whole word children. Already we have learned the entire whole words in the previous classes. Today we are going to recall some whole words and we are going to write test on it children. So for that, let's practice the spellings of the word. So children, look out these words children. We are going to practice the spelling of these words only. First word, fulfill. F-U-L-F-I-L, fulfill. Repeat it children. Fulfill. Next word, wonder. W-O-N-D-E-R, wonder. Repeat it. Next one, often. O-F-T-E-N, often. Repeat it. The next word, things. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. Repeat it children. Next word, ever. E-V-E-R, ever. Repeat it. And the next word, didn't. D-I-D-N-T, didn't. Repeat it. And the next word, caused. C-A-U-S-E-D, caused. Repeat it children. And the next word, stopped. S-T-O-P-P-E-D, stopped. And the next word, herself. H-E-R-S-E-L-F, herself. Repeat it children. And the next word, named. N-A-M-E-D, named. Repeat it children. Okay children, let's go through all the spellings of the words. Then we go for writing test children. Okay children, now all of you take your rough note to write the test children. The first word is fulfill. The first word is fulfill. Have you all written? The second word is wonder. 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 And then third word, often. 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 And then next word, things. 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 And then next word, ever. 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 And then next word, didn't. 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 And then next word, caused. caused, caused. And then next word, stopped, stopped, stopped. And then next word, herself, herself, herself. And then last word, named, named, named. Have you all written, children? Once check all the words. The first word is fulfill, wonder, often, thinks, ever, didn't, caused, stopped, herself, named. Okay, children? Okay, children. Now I show you the spellings of the words again. Check your spellings, children. If you have done any word wrong, write it separately 5 times. Check it out, children. Okay, children. Have you all checked it out? Okay, close your rough note and take your reader, children. Let's move on to reading and listening comprehension. Today we are going to read a story in our reader, SR 18, Mary Curie the Wonder Woman. So all of you open your SR 18 in reader book, children. Children, all of you read out the entire story of Mary Curie the Wonder Woman. Page number SR 8, SR 19. Let's read these 2 passages and find out the main idea of the story and find out some new word with its meaning, children. Can you able to recall the steps what you want to follow to find out the meaning of the word? So children, if you find out any new word in the passage, first read the new word. Then read the first and after sentences of the new word. Then find out the collect the meanings of all the old words. Then again read the sentence with it old words along with new word. Then it is easy for you to guess the meaning of the new word. So let's find out the new word and its meaning and write it in your rough note, children. And then find out the main idea of the story. Children, have you all read out the story? Okay, children, now draw the house diagram in your rough note. Already we have done it for last unit, no, children? The same thing. Draw the house diagram and write the topic sentence, main idea and details of the story Mary Curie the Wonder Woman. This is the house diagram which you want to draw and write topic, main idea and details of the story, children. Let's copy this in your rough note. Take 10 minutes time to complete this. So children, have you finished out the diagram? So let's check your answers with this diagram. If the contents are related to the diagram, that also okay, children. The entire thing is no need to be same in the house diagram. The details you can write in your own words, but the conveying message should be clear. Check it out, children. So have you all checked it out? Okay, children, let's move on to the next part, grammar. Children, in our last classes in the grammar part, we have learnt about what is subject, what is verb, object, adverb and adjectives. Today we are going to do an interesting thing, that is making our own sentence by looking at the picture. Shall we move on to it, children? Okay, let's move. Children, now look at this picture and tell me what do you see in the picture. So whom do you see in the picture? Write it in your rough note, children. So what the action they are doing? Write it in your note. Then what are all the objects you can find in it and how they are? Write all these answers in your rough note, children. The first thing, what do you see in the picture? Who and all in the picture? Then what are all the objects in the picture and what the action is going in the picture? Write it, children. So this is the question, children. For this you want to answer to the table or column. So what the nurse is giving? Yeah, she is giving medicine or juice. So whom is she giving it to? She is giving to a person, a patient, a man. That's it. So now tell me what the subject is in the picture. Yes, very good, the nurse. What the verb is? What the actions she is doing? Yeah, is giving. Very good. Then direct object or indirect object? Yes. Indirect object. A juice, a medicine, a soup, something. Then to whom she is giving? Indirect object. A man. Is it, children? So let's check our answer. A nurse or the nurse is giving a juice or medicine to the man. So let's check whether our answer is correct or not. Yes, the nurse is giving the man juice or the nurse is giving juice to the man. So likewise you want to write the answers, children. By looking at the picture, first you want to find out what the subject is, then you want to find out what the verb is, and then you want to find out what is direct and indirect object in the picture. Okay, children? Okay, now let's move on to our worksheet exercise. So now all of you open your worksheet number 22, question number 1, children. Open worksheet number 22, question number 1. So children, this is worksheet number 22, question number 1. So look at the picture and answer to the given questions to make a sentence, children. Start to write the answers, children. Children, let's check your answers of it, children. If the answer is no need to exactly in the worksheet. It can be written on your own words, children. You can give name of the character and you can change and write the characters. Instead of dad, you can write uncle. Likewise, you can write it, children. So let's check your answer. That's all, children. Have you all checked it out now? So close your worksheet and take your rough note for writing and speaking expression, children. Today we are going to write the draft sentences in a new topic. So for that, all of you take your rough note, children. Is good. Have you all taken it? Okay, children. Children, this is the topic. You want to write draft sentence, dangers of plastic. So take 10 minutes time to collect the points on your own. Then take a fresh page, write the topic and write the draft sentences as points. Then we will make it as a passage, children. First take 10 minutes time, think clearly about the dangers of plastic. Then copy each and every points as sentences in your rough note. After finishing 10 to 15 sentences, make it as a passage, children. Then we go for edit, enhance and publishing part. First get ready for ideating part, children. So have you understood? Ideate about the dangers of plastic, then copy your ideas in the rough note. Okay, children, let's see what your today's homework is. Your today's homework is worksheet number 20, cursive writing, children. Trace the sentences, write it neatly, children. Worksheet number 20, cursive writing. Thank you, children. Let's see you on tomorrow.